Well, good morning, guys. Hope you guys are having an awesome morning. So, I am attempting to make a cabbage soup, okay? My neighbor had made some for me, and it was so good. And I'm really not even a soup person. So, I'm going to try to make a little small cabbage soup. So, I use chicken broth in here that I'm boiling. I'm using complete seasoning salt, a touch of black pepper, and I didn't have any fresh ginger, so I'm using powdered ginger. And I put a half a teaspoon of butter in here. So I got that boiling. Now I'm not going to use a whole cabbage because it's just me. So I just cut up a half of a piece of cabbage. So I am going to make this. I don't like this leaf. I'm going to make this cabbage soup, and I'll let y'all know how it turned out. I didn't have any onions, so I used some onion powders, but she used those little bitty green onions. So yes, and I was shocked because it was so good. I'm not even a soup person, but I love the taste of ginger. So I'm going to make this cabbage soup. Some people put carrots in theirs. I'm not really a carrot person. So there we go. We're gonna let this, cabbage don't take long to cook. So we're gonna let this cook. And then I will let y'all know how it turned out. So those are, I just use all complete. I'm using a touch of black pepper and ginger. I use chicken broth to give it that like chicken flavor. And we're gonna boil it and see if it turns out. Like, my neighbor is Vietnamese, so she make all these great recipes, and she come give me some, and I'm like, you know what? I would like, especially in the winter months, to be making that cabbage soup. So I'll let you guys know how it turned out. Have a great morning. Doodles.